Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Yaramate Olive Oil Dispenser. The Yaramate Oil Sprayer for Cooking is a versatile 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser designed for healthy and efficient meal preparation. Its dual functionality allows you to spray or pour oil with precision, making it perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling. Crafted from high-quality food-grade materials, it ensures safety and durability. The transparent bottle lets you easily monitor oil levels and prevent waste. The ergonomic, leak-proof design ensures mess-free use and a secure grip during handling. Its adjustable nozzle provides fine misting for even application or controlled pouring for larger amounts. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both kitchen use and outdoor barbecues. Easy to clean and refill, it offers hassle-free maintenance. This multi-purpose dispenser is suitable for olive oil, vinegar, or other liquid seasonings. Elevate your cooking experience with the convenient and stylish Yaramate Oil Sprayer. ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP03B Digital Meat Thermometer is a reliable tool for perfectly cooked meals every time. With an ultra-fast response time of 3 to 5 seconds, it provides accurate temperature readings to +0.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The foldable stainless steel probe makes it easy to store and use, while ensuring durability and hygiene. Its wide temperature range, -58 degrees to 572 degrees, suits a variety of cooking needs, from grilling steaks to baking bread. The large backlit display offers clear readings, even in dim lighting. Designed with a magnetic back and hanging hole, it's convenient to store on a fridge or hook. The thermometer automatically powers off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor cooking. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or candy making, it ensures precision and safety. Upgrade your kitchen with the ThermoPro TP3B Digital Meat Thermometer. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set. The Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is a 17-piece collection designed for durability and performance. Made with hard anodized aluminum, it resists scratches and ensures even heat distribution. The non-stick interior allows for effortless food release and easy cleanup, perfect for healthy cooking with less oil. Each piece features Tefal's thermospot indicator, signaling when the pan is preheated and ready for use. The set includes essential pots, pans, and utensils, making it ideal for beginners or seasoned cooks. Riveted silicone handles provide a comfortable, secure grip while staying cool during cooking. The cookware is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops except induction. Tight-fitting lids lock in moisture and nutrients for flavorful results. Dishwasher safe, it's easy to maintain for everyday cooking. Elevate your kitchen with the Tefal Ultimate 17-piece Cookware Set. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor is a compact powerhouse for your kitchen. With a 3-cup capacity, it's perfect for small tasks like dicing vegetables, mincing herbs, and pureeing sauces. Powered by a robust 350-watt motor, it quickly handles a variety of ingredients with ease. The stainless steel blades deliver consistent and precise results every time. Its one-touch pulse control ensures easy operation and lets you achieve the perfect texture. The bowl, lid, and blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and ideal for small kitchens. The sturdy base ensures stability during operation. Perfect for quick meal prep or creating homemade dips, it's a versatile tool for any home cook. Simplify your cooking with the Hamilton Beach electric vegetable chopper and mini food processor. Easy Off Jar Opener. The Easy Off Jar Opener for seniors is a convenient and reliable tool designed to make opening jars effortless. Installed under cabinets, it saves space and stays hidden until needed, perfect for small kitchens. Its V-shaped design grips lids of all sizes, from small medicine bottles to large pickle jars. Made with durable materials, it offers long-lasting performance and withstands daily use. The strong grip eliminates the need for hand strength, making it ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with limited mobility. Easy to install with included adhesive and screws, it ensures a secure fit under cabinets or counters. The universal design works with plastic, metal, or any lid type. It's a time saver for busy cooks and a handy aid for independent living. Compact and out of sight, it maintains a clutter-free kitchen. Simplify your life with the Easy Off Jar Opener for seniors.